So what happened?
Maybe not this is really.
The liveness
It's
started.
live, it's on live. People wicked enough. Yo, Jamaican are the best, I swear to God. He even taking me off mute and putting me back on. Him said, bro, let me like that, no? You gonna hear him cursing because I'm gonna start violating.
So nobody now come on.
Does he know? Yeah, hello? 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 He ain't ready yet.
Team came too. Hey, hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready right now. I'm about to go.
Okay, so you have the percentage with you, you have the money with you to register?
Yes, my husband have it. He's coming. The $340 $90. $91.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, just let me know when you're in your car. I'm on the line, okay?
Alright, no problem. Baby,
Okay.
go get the keys, baby. Hello? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, my husband just went to get the keys. I'm ready. So you said we just gotta go to the we just gonna go to the Western Union and stuff? The Walgreens?
Yes. Yes, which location is the closest location? The Walgreens?
The Walgreens and the Walmart. Both of them is closed. Which one you want me to go to?
Okay, so you're gonna go at the Walmart, okay?
The Walmart?
Yes, the Walmart.
Okay. And when I go, what do I have to do?
Okay, I will be on the line with you, sweetheart. I'm the one going to provide to you with the information for you to register. Remember, I have the necessary information
Okay, I'm
here in the
laughing.
system to provide to you today. But
Okay, hold
whenever
on,
you have
I'm
the
laughing.
you're at the Walmart,
Hey, he Jamaican.
okay?
No, wait, don't. Alright, no problem.
Okay, so just let me know when you're in your car and you're ready and just ready to go over by the Walmart.
Get some key and dangle it and
What the
then
key?
say,
I'm
"I'm
gonna
going
find the key. What? Okay. I'm going for the key. Don't come in again.
So where are you guys now? You're in your car?
Hurry now.
Alright, close the door.
Mhm.
Alright, you want me to call you back when I get there?
No, I could be staying on the line with you because we should never have get disconnected until you saw the delivery team today in your driveway. So I will be on the line with you, sweetheart, okay?
Alright, no problem. Shit, alright, no problem.
Okay, so you're just going to let me know when you're at the parking lot there at the wall.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there like in 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes.
Okay. And,
Alright.
At this time, bring your pen with you. You have your pen?
Yes,
with
I have
you?
the pen and the paper that you was giving to me before. I still have them.
Okay, those information you're going to have to for those information whenever time arrives to your home. So you're going to keep those information in a safe place. No one else could be seeing those information. So what you're going to have, you're going to bring the percentage with you.
No,
With your,
more talk
okay?
like me there at Walmart.
Yeah.
When you reach Walmart,
Yeah,
you say,
yeah,
I'd like
talk
to
to
make
me.
a transfer. I'd like to
Alright.
send some money.
Yeah.
Say, I'm in the
talk to you.
Western Union.
Yeah, wait, no, don't do it yet.
Okay?
Keep going.
Hello?
Yes, hello, I'm hearing. Yes, my husband is driving right now. We're almost there. No, my husband is driving. We're almost there. So you said I'm getting $9 million? Pardon?
Pardon?
What did you say?
Yes, you have won 9 million. You know, I told you, right? You have to put down on the paper.
Yes, I had the 9 millions on the paper.
Okay.
Yes, I'm so excited.
And I'm supposed to send 396. You have to make him on point with the money.
I'm so excited.
Okay, you should be, ma'am, because you have won yourself a large sum of money today from the publisher's clearing house. So it should be, all right?
Yes.
All right. So let me know when.
Right, I'm not even know English, Rashid. I'm ignorant. I'm coming to them.
Registered, all right?
Don't fuss somebody.
All right.
Okay.
We'll soon reach. We'll soon reach.
So, I'm pulling up in the parking lot now. 1 second. Give me a second.
All right, hold on. Give me 1 more minute. What? Even the time when he put me in mute, he was like, "Yo, bro, give me a light," cause he thought we couldn't hear. Well, I don't know what it doing. All right, I'm pulling up in the parking lot now. Give me a second. Hello? He got it on mute because he talking. He don't want to.
Yeah, what I want.
You hear his friend talking to somebody else? Listen to the background.
Yes, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Them are running a big business.
What you're saying now?
I said I'm in the parking lot. Give me a second. Yo, you could hear his other friend talking, doing the same thing. He put it back on mute. You ready for talk?
Hold on now, because I'm like, you're going to say, hi,
I want to make a transaction.
I want to make a transaction.
All right, no problem. All right, come.
But tell him say in a Western Union and a $10 for send the money.
All right, them think them a scammer. Them think them a scammer. We're a big scammer. Come. We're allowed to win. All right, I'm in here now. I'm about to go to the lady. Hello? Hello? I'm still have it on mute because they're doing the same thing. You're going to see when he take me off mute, you're going to hear him talking to somebody else. Hello? I think we got disconnected.
Hello?
What's up? Yes, I'm here.
Yes,
Yes, I'm inside. I'm in.
Say I've been in.
I've been inside. Where are you?
Yes, you're gonna stay inside here. I'm gonna provide you with the information, okay?
Yes.
Okay, stay inside.
Yo, listen to the background.
Car so we could get you the
He going
info,
outside because he don't want the person to hear. Yes, I hear you.
Okay. So the information you needed to have the $390 and how much?
And 68 cents.
Okay, you have the money with you?
Yes, I have the money with me.
Okay, so I'm going to give you the information that it's sent in the Western Union. Okay, at the Walmart, they have the money down there, right?
I'm at the Western Union. That one.
Okay, the Western Union.
Yeah.
Okay. So the information, you're going to have Linda Warren. That is Linda.
Yes.
You have that?
Yes, I have that.
Warren. You have Warren?
Spell it.
Warren.
Okay.
Okay. At 6 price.
And what?
6 price. PRICE.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, 6 price drive. Try Illinois. L for Illinois. IL.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I got that.
So and
You're breaking up.
the licensing merchant banker name and address. You have it?
Yes.
It is the land merchant banker name address.
Yes, I got it.
Okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and what's the name?
Pardon?
What do you have? Provide me the name.
Linda Warren.
Okay, and go ahead with the address now.
6 Price. Troy, Illinois.
Okay, it's Fixed Price Drive, D-R-I-V-E, Drive, Troy, Illinois.
Okay, no problem. I got that. Let me just make the corrections.
Okay. Okay. So listen what you're going to do. We need no more taxes to be added to your price by anyone else
Well,
trying to have taxes from you.
Okay, brother.
No, hold on, no.
To keep business private and confidentially. Let no one else know you have won this
You
prize.
can't even talk.
No, but listen now, hold on.
No
Tell him
more
say,
taxes to
oh,
be added
I'm
to
going
your
inside now. I'm going inside.
I'm going to give the paper to her. Hold on.
And I can't use the phone when I go
Yeah,
inside.
me
So I'm going inside and I can't use the phone.
All right, tell me. Shh. Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Are you still listening?
Yes, I'm listening. I'm about to go inside and give them the slip right now, so I can't be on the phone.
No, listen what you're going to do. You're going to go inside and you're going to ask them for a sender's receipt form. Ask for a sender's receipt form and came back in your car. And just ask them for a sender's receipt form.
I came back in your car.
When you came back, you let me know
When you
that
came
you have
back.
the form. You have to
I'm
sign
dead.
the form first. I'm the one who will help you sign the form for you to have everything on the form, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'm going to go for it right now. Hold on. Give me a second.
So, yes, go inside, ask for a sender's form.
All right, no problem. Hold on.
Okay.
All right, hold on, baby. I'm going to go inside. The door not sound like on car door.
You open that door there and say, oh, it's sound because it's inside. Open that door there.
No, I'm going to just clap it. When should I talk like I'm Jamaican, man?
No, hold on a second now.
He
Hold
keep
on.
putting on mute because he's talking to somebody else too.
Hold on, you not care about him.
Hold on.
Dirty David
He
Johnson.
say, I came back in your car. They say, came back in your car.
Yeah. Say to him, say we came back in your car.
Miss who reach back in the car. He's dead stupid. Like
Saying, I have the form now, what should I do?
He said, I'm a time. All right. Make him on Saturday. Ready? See my come back here. Listen.
Well, listen to the background.
And put it back on mute. He put it back on mute. What do you think he's saying?
Hold on, now we are going.
Let me make him ask me. Come
Because you can't go in, so go with him there.
Is a line. We have to wait.
Yeah, line. We have to wait. Hold on. I want to use the bathroom. What one?
Take time. Fucking fool, right? Big idiot. I also reach back in the car. I'm on my bed. I'm gonna take him off mute. Ready? Hello? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, I'm back in the car now.
You have the form?
Yes, I have the car. I have the form.
Western
Sorry.
Union form?
Yes, the Western Union slip.
Okay, so read what you see on the Western Union
Yes.
form, please, so I could verify those
What about the
information there to
It
provide you
says
with the
sender's
information that
name,
you need.
sender's address.
Okay, so
It says
hold on,
sender's
hold on.
name, sender's address.
All right, it says sender's name. I should put a Linda Warren for that one.
No, you are the sender. Your name and your address. Where it says name, you're
Okay.
going to have your name, sender's name, your
Oh,
name,
so she's
and
the
your
receiver.
first
So
name.
put it your
Your
receiver's
first name and
information.
your last name here, okay?
All right, so I should put her name as the receiver, right?
Yes, she's the receiver.
Okay, I'm gonna fill it out with my name. All right.
So your name as the sender and your address, where it
And
says
your
address,
address.
okay?
Okay.
All right. And do you see where it says amount?
Amount? Yes, I see amount.
So that's where I put the
Okay, so you
390.68.
have your name down?
Yeah, so where I see amount, I'm gonna put the $3.90.68.
Yes. That's where you're going to, yes.
All right, no problem.
But they're also, but do I have to like pay to send us or something like that?
All right. So do I have to
Pardon?
pay to send it?
Pardon?
Is there a fee for me to pay to send it?
The same day?
Is there a fee for me to send the money? You didn't hear the dog in the
Okay, yeah,
background.
it's gonna like $10.
You didn't hear the dog in the background. Shh. No, what was that? Pardon?
It's like $10. You're saying that if there's a fee for you to send it?
You that boy. Yes, it's $10. You said?
Yes, it's $10 to send it.
All right, no problem. Let me open the door quick.
Okay, so
Leave
where
the door
it says receiver's information, name and address. You know how to find it?
Address. Yes, I know how to find it.
Okay, and what it say at the bottom? You see where it says sign your
In
signature?
11290. Pardon?
Do you see at the bottom where you should sign your signature at the bottom?
Yes, I signed my signature already.
Okay, and do you see where it says money in minutes?
Money in minute? Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna tick that box, money in minutes.
All right, I took the box.
Okay, so read back to me now. What else you see there?
What else? What else must say? What else must say? Him said, what else must say? All right. Hold on. Shh. Do I put a test question?
Yes, you don't have to have a test question. Do you see where it says your number? Where you should put your number?
Yes, I should put my phone number, this phone number?
Yes, put your phone number.
All right, no problem.
Okay, and remember now, whenever you have it signed and you go back inside with the $300, if they have the $399, if they have you any question, remember you're not going to let them know you have won this prize because we don't need there to add no more tax charges to your price, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Yes, you're going to let them know you're just sending it to a family member. That is the way you're not going to have to no more questions, all right?
Okay.
Okay. So what I need you to do, check the paper now and read back to me what you have on the paper.
I'm going to read it, but we don't know what the paper. All right. Shh. All right.
What do you have signed?
Pardon?
Read back to me now what you see on the paper so we could make sure that you have everything what should be signed and the paper signed.
We don't know. All right. I have my name. I have my phone number and the amount, and I have the $400 with me.
Okay. You have your address. You put your address where it says sender's address.
Yes, I put my address.
So where it says receiver's address, do you put the address also?
Yes.
And the name?
Yes, I put her name.
Okay, so you're going to leave your phone in the car, and you're going to go inside of the store, and whenever you reach at the customer service, you provide them with the paper and the 1% and the money, and you wait for them to provide to you with your receipt form. And they're going to show you the tracking number and your receipt form. That is the confirmation number. Mm-hmm. Whenever they provide you with that form, you came back to your car and you let me know when you have it sent. You let me know when you have the receipt form so we could have everything processed for you today, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'm going to go back inside right now.
Okay, so you're going to leave your phone, and remember, let no one else know you have won this because they could have more taxes to your price where you could have to take care of more taxes to receive this. Because remember, they're working there with the tax review department at the Western Union, so you have to be very careful. Let no one else know you're paying for receiving your price, okay?
Yes, I'm really glad for the prize of the $9 million.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
You're welcome. So go inside now and let me know when you're back, all right? Leave the phone in the car.
Hold on, I have to give him the number.
All right. If man want to give me $9 million. Okay, I'm going to be back. If man want to give me $9 million. Stop now.
Pardon?
You can't hear me. Hello? Oh, you can't hear.
Pardon me?
He on mute. Hello? Why you holding it? I'm not showing him yet.
I'm gonna hold the phone.
No, you're not
about the
holding.
phone.
9 million. I'm saying with $9 million. He had me on mute because he talking to somebody else. He not the only one there. Someone else doing them. Yeah,
So
he
you're
on
gonna
mute.
hold it until somebody else come in.
How long it gonna take?
No, because remember, you join line, so it's gonna take a while. They're stupid.
The nigga say, let me put down the address. Yeah, he said I win $9 million. And I shouldn't tell nobody. Yeah, press mute. It's on mute. Somebody said my pum pum.
Put it back, man. Put it back. Put it back.
The line hung.
No, but him say if you left the phone in the car. So
Yeah,
him
I leave the
shoulda
phone
not
in the
talk.
car. Someone know I'm on mute still.
No, man, him soon slip up because them hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I get vexed so I start talking. I say, go.
No, you gotta give him the number. You gotta waste him time because the number,
It
this
already
number,
collect
it
already?
already collect.
Alright,
So you
well,
gotta
give my
give him the
fake
number.
number.
You don't have to cuss him. Just give him some work for do. Just give him some work for
Yeah, and
do.
him a
Can't
go.
waste your time. You waste his time. Cause him I go go to Western Union. Stupid ass.
Come back now.
No, come back here. Western Union line us away him there.
Express. I gotta go to work. What time is it? Oh. Done, wanna watch. Is you press mute, not him? No, but he have me on mute because in his background, somebody else calling people too.
Oh, dog, yeah, ear barking.
And you can hear the dog and everything barking. In my car, you're back and cuss you, right?
No, if he have, there is no business transaction that go down in less than
Yeah, too much.
an hour. Yeah.
So, when how long you can collect it?
Him can collect it now.
So,
Money
I'm
in
gonna
a
tell him my name is
No,
Joy,
tell him your
right?
name, Joyride. Let me give you one address for game.
My name is Joy, right? And I live it. What from I live?
Hold on, no. Let me see what the address there.
Oh,
Tell
yeah.
him three.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna say the money I already collect already. Am I
Yeah,
vex?
yeah. So no, you're not for cuss him. You're not for tell him nothing. Waste him time. Tell him you send the money at 31.
I'm gonna say
The address
I'ma
is
say the
3.
address now?
No, we can't give him this address. We're gonna give him not. Me I give just
yeah.
31.
3-1. What a
31.
We all have keys like we going in the car. We have the house key and everything.
Like put 3103.
Tell somebody if I put more.
No. Oh, you feel if I put more in a foreign him call.
Oh, Jesus.
No foreign the man call.
Oh, yes. Me forget.
Yeah, so you say you're there Jamaica. Listen. So we
He said England, make him collect pound.
No, he already know it's the US number.
Yeah, 'cause he
because
said New
remember
York.
the number.
Alright. So where I live?
So 3103, write it down.
Tell him, give my school address. 883 Classman Avenue.
883.
Yeah, I'm a school address up here.
No, listen, no, 883 Clayson Avenue, but we are giving a different zip code.
Zip code, alright. But why
So-
him know my zip code though?
No, we are giving a different zip code. May I send him a Bronx or I can send him a Georgia or
Alright,
somewhere
alright.
upstate.
Alright.
I know the zip code.
Give him my bank address. I'll give my precinct address. Yo, I don't know when to go back. How long to give more? 5 more
Like
minutes?
2 more minutes.
2
Them
more
hungry. No, look how him so
I think
hungry. No, I mean he's like so hungry because we were recording before we got disconnected and now it's at 46
And he don't want me to
minutes.
hang up. He said don't hang up.
Oh my
Make him go
God.
Western Union. My sister. Sister said, Western Union. Alright, I'm ready now. I'm ready?
Alright.
Now go back in there. Say, I'm hungry. I need to get something to eat.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. This is a old Western Union thing that is collected already, a tracking number that was collected already, so we're gonna give him this.
Tell him go pick up. At Bellevue. LOL. Make me lock it up.
No, so
Alright, ready?
listen, wait now the thing, the number I gotta be
Which number?
Wait, not the zip code. The zip code I got.
Oh, tell me one address. 883 Crescent Avenue.
Yeah, but the zip code I got be 11.
11. Turner.
11. No. The 10. 55 8.
1055 8. What a pen, mommy.
That's over Bronx.
1055 8. All right, ready?
Hold on, now because my gear is something so you have to have it done like 1055 8 and this is your name,
All
Joy,
right,
right?
Wait, no, the people them are wait.
10 5
Yeah,
5
right, back
8.
way.
Yeah, 1055 8.
1055 8.
Eight,
What the
yeah.
address? 883 Crescent Avenue.
No, 3. No, put 3103.
What? Bronx?
No,
I
3103
must have wait.
High Street.
I Street.
No,
High
you can
Street
put
what?
Clayton Avenue. 3103 Clayton Avenue, not Augusta. Yeah.
Avenue.
And 1058 are the zip code. And just like when I tell
Crescent
you,
Avenue.
just like when I repeat
Which one?
it,
Bronx, New York?
yeah.
No, but you know some live at Brooklyn. Make me say Brooklyn.
Who? Them him not know where you
Yes,
live, him have your
come ask me
number.
which promise them say Brooklyn.
Yeah, him not know the zip code them over here like that.
Alright, but at Brooklyn we can't tell him Bronx. Alright, come ready?
Hold on. And the next thing again, tell him say I paid $9.99. I paid $9.99 just now to send this money.
$9.99. $399.
No, you send the money where
Yeah.
you say for send it was $9.99.
Okay,
That is why I said $10 and said to him that you know what happened. I was
No, the zip code shot at 1120.
Someone said 1055 8. 1055
okay.
8.
Barely get catch. Alright, come ready?
Tell him say you're pregnant
I'm
and you're
pregnant.
really looking forward for this money.
Alright, hold on. Ready? Shh. What's your one person 1123 Scammer Avenue, Brooklyn 1.
No, don't do that.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yes, I'm back.
Hello, yeah. You're back?
Yes.
Okay, and what happened?
No, I sent everything just now. They said it's gonna be there soon. I got the receipt and everything.
Okay, so what I need you to do, I need you to read what you see on the receipt forms for me now, okay?
Okay. I see the
Okay.
tracking number. MTCN. Hello?
MPCM?
Yeah, the MTCN.
Okay, and what's the date and the time you see there on the receipt?
The date and the time?
Yes.
October 21.
Okay.
Jesus. 223. Oh, ring the doorbell, mommy. Man, get with catch.
Okay, that is the time?
Don't get it. Yes, that's the time.
Okay. So, all right. So, please hold the line for me, okay? Please hold.
All right, no problem. He told me to hold on. Who ringing the doorbell?
Yo, mama tell you something.
Nobody with
Them
it.
on point.
Okay,
hold
so
on.
I'm here now.
You hear
Alright.
somebody in the background? Listen. Shh. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, so you're saying that the time on the day. Go back over with the time on the date you have here.
I have 2:23. That's the time. And the date is October 21st.
Okay, so I need you to provide me now with your first name, your name that is on the paper, your first name first.
My first name is Joy. Joy. Right. WRIGHT. That's my name.
WRIGHT,
GHT.
right?
Yes. Are you at the Western
Okay.
Union?
Pardon?
Are you at the Western Union right now?
Okay, we are gonna have these informations processed first, and then we have delivery done. Where would you like to meet you? At the Western Union or at
In the
your
sector,
home?
come on my house. At my house, because I'm pregnant, so I have to go home.
Okay. So give me your name. That it is Joy Wright, right?
Yes, Joy Wright.
Okay. And the address now, where are you going to go? Where you want me to meet? Provide me with the address.
31003 Classen Avenue.
Spell it. Letter by letter.
CL.
Take your time. Go ahead. Go back over. Go ahead now.
CL.
CL.
A. SS. ON. Avenue.
AVE.
Yes, AVE. Brooklyn, New York.
Spell it.
Where's the? You said to spell Brooklyn, New York?
Yeah, spell it now.
Yo, I'm
I need
crying.
No mistake. I need to have the correct information. Let's go ahead with the spelling.
BR. OOK.
Okay.
LYN. Yo, I'm laughing too much. I can't do this.
Okay.
New York. NY.
Okay.
Okay.
And the tracking number.
The tracking number
Yeah,
is
the
it?
paper.
Oh, you forgot the zip code. The zip code is 10558. You got that?
10558.
Yes, that's the zip code.
Okay. And the tracking number.
The tracking number is 324
324
925
925
80
80
69.
6.
Only Jamaican said 3 for 3. It's fake,
Okay.
y'all. It's fake.
And where and at this time you're saying your first name is Joy and your last name is Wright.
Yes,
Okay?
Joy Wright.
Okay, sweetheart. And at this time,
Tell
sweetheart,
him that he can
the
call you
tracking
back.
number, it
Tell
is,
him that you're waiting for him to
324
call you back and
925
stuff. Tell him you're
Alright,
waiting for him to call you back.
8069,
Don't cuss him.
okay?
Yeah, all right. All right, yes, that's it.
Okay. And your address where you're living, it is this is the address that's on the paper. It is 3103
Yes.
CLASSON
Yes.
Avenue, Brooklyn, New York.
Yes. And the zip
Okay,
code,
and
you
your
got the
zip
zip code?
Yes, the zip code is 10558.
Okay.
Yes, okay, so please hold the line, sweetheart, so I could have this process for you now. So,
All right, no problem.
yes, please hold the line, and so you could go
More
back home now.
fighting.
Where are you? You're still in your car? Or are you in the...
I'm in the car. I'm in my car.
Okay, so keep me on the line. Just keep me on the line.
All right,
okay?
I won't hang up. All right. In there, the Western
Okay.
Union anymore. Check if it right. Mega hang up, you know.
No, only if him thing there. Like
Yeah.
just hear it.
Listen,
Hear
listen,
them.
listen.
Hear, listen to the background.
Sweetheart?
It now work. Hello?
Yes, just keep me on the line. Don't hang up, okay?
All right. He said don't,
Don't
hang up.
hand up. They're retards, I swear.
Yeah, tell him to me I get a call. Me I play with him. I'm gonna say, hold on, I'm getting a call.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Him not answer. Hello? I'm getting a call. I have to hang up. You want him on top down?
No, don't hang up. Don't hang up.
No.
I checked.
No,
What
girl, don't
happened
hang
now
up.
is that they are checking because most of the time, sometimes they have people working in the Western Union, so they don't even have to go. They could call and ask someone to check it.
Right to the mall play music.
Rotty, them thing on point.
Hello?
Right it, hold on. Shh. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
You
Are
hear the
hearing me
Jamaican
now?
person in the background? Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, what you say now?
No, I was getting a call before. That's what I was saying.
No, you shouldn't hang up. Don't hang. Never to hang up. Okay.
All right, I'm never gonna hang up.
Yeah, just hold the line.
All right.
Yeah, just hold the line.
Tell him I'll take a call so that you hear what they must say.
All right, I'm gonna take a call. Okay, don't hang up.
All right.
All right. Listen.
So yeah, the listening background because I think
Okay,
they're
I
kind
have.
of they're in the Western Union.
Are the Western Union there?
Yeah.
Oh God, I'm gonna be so upset. No, see, he talking to somebody else on the phone. They might try to scam somebody else.
Okay, no problem. The name is J-O-Y.
Oh, that's mine. Am I getting mine?
Yeah, they might check it.
I'm hang up, you know. I'm a hanged up. I'm a hanged up.
No, not yet.
I'm gonna on the phone. I'm home to him. I'm not hang up. You make it right there. Somebody else is talking now, you know. This is somebody else talking.
Hello?
All right, hold on. Hello?
Oh, you there? Okay, stay on the line, okay?
Yes, I'm staying on the line. This is our next
just
So just say I'm on
I'm
another
going to the delivery team come over at your home, okay?
Okay, I'm just on another call. I'm not hanging up.
And remember, don't tell anyone about your delivery because we don't want anyone to call up our delivery team, okay?
Okay, this is David.
Yeah, what happened now?
Okay, nothing. I'm just on the phone. I'm making appointments because remember I told you I got a baby. So I'm
Yes, I know.
Okay, I'm confirming the appointment. Hold on. Don't hang up.
Just confirm your appointment and get back to me.
All right.
Okay.
He put two different persons on the phone.
Yeah, and that's your one.
Shuna.
Yeah. Get the paper and name. Joy. J.
That's not even my name, but Joy.
W-I.
W-R-I. Him fool?
Yes, it's for you.
Can him get that money now, you know?
You're pregnant, not have a baby.
Have everything today.
You make
Nothing
a
more.
mistake.
Oh,
I
me
see
say?
that you do it.
Me
But
say?
remember, I have a baby, so I have to make an appointment.
I don't say?
Yeah.
Come on, keep on the love. Give your mother the phone and let your cousin.
Sweetheart, it's you. I have it and it's
Right, tell him not find it. I tell you no mommy.
Wow.
Cause him not find the money.
transfer for you. You're not go for it.
Me not the person. Cause and me send this to Shagin. Them see the tracking number and but on my name depending. Oh me gotta tell them, Lord Jesus.
Hold on.
We have to go make up something again. Hold on.
No.
Me I tell them to me I go back in at the Western Union.
Say no. I did everything. Hold on.
Yeah, I said no, I did everything. I'm gonna go back in the Western
Hold
Union.
on.
No, ain't it too far?
I'm not cussing.
Yeah, you talk like me. Talk like me. Ready?
Hello? Hello? Them still have to try carry the money because them believe you know. So the fact that you're still up on the line and you give them the MTCA
Yeah, we
number.
on the phone for 1 hour.
No, it's more than 1 hour because remember we were recording it before we went on live.
I can't remember some phone never
It's just the time.
My sister.
No, them
Your
have
sister, they
ma-
connect to me.
Yeah, my sister. Watch it.
Cuss him.
my
I want to cuss
God.
him. Like I've been wanting to cuss him, but my mother here.
No, don't curse him. Waste his time. What you guys think? Waste his time.
Hold on. He can't find the money. Jesus. Give me like more time.
No, listen. What
Him
you gonna
can't
say to
find
him?
nothing
No,
on
what
me.
you gonna say to him? Are you sure I gave you the right MTCN
Yeah,
number?
and then
I don't know what's
you want me to say me I
happening.
go back to the Western Union?
So, and right now I'm pregnant. You
but
understand?
I will
I
go
have
back.
to go back home because I'm trying to get these appointments together along with, you know?
Alright, somebody say something. Hello?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, where are you now?
I'm just gonna get out of the car. I'm walking up the house. Is everything okay?
Yes, just hold, listen, don't speak with anyone else about your price, and don't let anyone know you have due this payment, because we are going to have everything processed for you now, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Okay, so just give me like 10 minutes or 20 minutes to call you back. Just stay close by your phone and keep your fingers crossed. Listen, just wait my call, alright?
You don't want me to hold on the phone? I could hold. Just...
Okay, hold the line.
Alright. I want to.
Waste his time, waste his little credit.
17. No, it might use the internet something.
What's that?
Where they go on the internet and use American number. Because
Oh,
remember, he
yeah,
calling me from
because
an American
the
number.
number-
He
yeah,
can go on the app.
Oh,
And use an American
wow. That's crazy, though.
Just give him 20 minutes, LOL. Just give him like 10 minutes. And he's Jamaican. One of the time, he put me on mute. He was like,
But they're not even considering.
girl,
You
give me
told
a
him
ride.
you're pregnant, and he still want the money. He still want the money. That's what I'm saying.
bro, I win $9 million.
$9 million. Hear me now? Don't tell anybody about your price because you don't want them all you up. And I mean, this is should never try and mix them are talk pure Jamaican. Anyways, you know? And them are like, oh, me don't want them all you up. So don't tell anyone about this money.
Should I tell him, don't tell anybody about the money I sent you.
Oh my
You
God.
know, I gunshot through the phone, right?
You know, they're crazy though, like serious.
Camera there. I need to turn this off.
Yeah, but why them do this to people though?
Yo, it's when the men say spell Brooklyn.
No, him says spell Brooklyn,
Yeah,
New
because he
York.
said he's in Brooklyn. Big businessman in Brooklyn.
No, but that's not it. It's when him say
I gotta
word.
get my charger, bro.
Oh, go and go get your charger and come.
Wait.
Go on, I'm gonna hold
Come
it.
on, I'm a kiss.
Yeah, just go for it and come back. And when him say spell Clacy, when you say Clacy, him says spell it word for word. In word for word.
no mistake.
But you must spell it word for word. Word for word, word for word. Oh, you must spell that word for word. Oh my God, they're dumb. Both spell it word for word. Him know say you see the fact that you give him a number where used already, them are gonna like try query it because them are gonna see it.
Oh, comes the. Yeah, him say one of them. It's not the right name.
He must say yeah because him know, not no gossa.
But him knows
Him know say it in the system, so
Yo,
that's
I'm
why I'm
mad.
He's like
Hold on, my
so.
phone going.
Hold on, you have to be careful of who you accept now because them are
Yeah.
them friend up on the line. Oh my God.
But how they get my number though? That's crazy.
No, it's just random. They have like a database thing where people like sell these numbers. They can get anybody number from T-Mobile, from anybody.
Alright, the phone charging.
They can get anybody number.
No, I see my messages.
Josh, they put it.
You know.
Yeah, I see them. They put it from its start.
Yeah, but before, but they at work.
Them two
He gonna
cheap.
hang up because he gonna be tired.
No, him not. Him a go think of you. You see the fact that you're still up on the line.
Mm-hmm.
And you say you're
Of
gonna wait.
course, I
Him
want the
think
$9
say you're
million.
honest. Yeah, you
I
want the
want
$9 million.
They're not on the live and they're not mad funny. What a sad state of affairs. This is a sad state of affairs. The man's school fee need for pay. He said I was supposed to get the money at 2 o'clock.
And 2 o'clock gone.
I'm tired.
That's why I'm not want you to tell nobody because you're not getting no money 2 o'clock.
Ask him which part to come from.
Oh my God. He's not going to tell you that. Yeah, he told us where he's from.
He said he from Brooklyn too.
No, he says from Illinois.
Uh,
Yeah. He says from Illinois. But listen now, Me not hear him ask you nothing about them tracking number or something that up there again.
Yeah, right,
so
9 million. Him not even 9 million them like before.
No, listen up. Ask him, so what time is Ron gonna come? Because him say Ron Johnson, you know, and them.
And the lawyer, into the lawyer there. Him tell me two lawyer name.
Ron Johnson and one next one.
What am I telling for all for?
Eh?
Answer the phone now?
I him say for all.
Okay.
Him say stay on the line. Remember him didn't want to hang up. Him say I'll call you back.
I'm gonna ask him if I'm still there. I'm gonna ask him if I'm still there. I'm gonna say hello, are you still there? Hello? Hello?
They might just make you stay till you get impatient and hang up. I check out the money now. You think in business about you again? You might try to check to see if the money dead about the thing we get.
But what if it was somebody that wasn't a Jamaican though? They would have sent their money.
No,
now.
nobody not. When I know, probably are some old people or some retard when I know nothing because everybody know about scamming. It's about you too. You and him are the same thing. The same thing. I'll be listening. I'm like,
the one gone.
that's his number, guys. Call him and see if he would answer the phone. Call his number and see if he would just answer the phone.
Them say move on.
Yeah. Because what happened? No, he's gonna come back.
It's not
me.
on mute. Hello?
Put it on mute. Where you gonna mute it for? Yeah, they love to waste people's time, so why not waste his time and say, yeah, come back. I want him come back.
He need to come back, he gonna be tired. Cause I'm gonna tell you for cuss him out.
No, but if him come back and be disrespectful, we'll just give it to him.
One time?
Yeah. You know, if him come back and be disrespectful, I mean, you waste my time, I waste your time. I tell you, I'm gonna get impatient. I tell you, he hang up, guys. But that's why I'm gonna get impatient.
He did that hang up. Let me see if I can call him back. I'm gonna say the phone got disconnected. And look, this was another one calling me.
No, call him back. Probably you don't even get him.
Unknown number. No, he called from Florida, Miami. He might even know the number.
Him good not even take play, no, that even bust.
I'm hung up. I'm vexed.
Just say the phone got disconnected.
I'm not answer again, man. Why he hang up? Brought my vibes.
The text now subscriber you were trying to reach is not available.
It's a text
Please leave
mail.
your
It's an
message
app.
after the tone.
It's an app. It's not a phone number. I'm gonna call the person that call me. And he said somebody else was calling me from Jamaica. I never get a Jamaican call before. Keep going, guys.
Him swear, because I'm here said in the system, him swear.
He not getting no money. He gonna call back. Watch.
The money they got from.
Cause we sent this one day. Look at the date.
Hold on.
He gonna ask the date. He said, "What's the date and the time?"
Yeah.
Which day money tell him? I tell him 2.
The money.
23.
Show them from when the money stand and that collect.
Hello? Yes, we got disconnected.
Yes, it's David. I lost you off the line, huh?
All right, David. Did you get to collect? Did you get to collect the money? Because I'm waiting for the surprise. Wait, sir.
You said 2 o'clock.
Because I'm waiting. Because you said 2 o'clock. Remember?
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
Where are you? You're home?
Yes, I'm home.
Okay. So, listen. Give me some time, sweetheart, because I'm having a problem to have the money picked up. I will have to provide you with a different name. You're going to have to send it in a different name, okay?
So you want me to go back to the Western Union?
Yes, because listen, the merchant bank name you have it sending here. She's on leave now today. She's not working. It's a different lady who's working today. All right.
All right. So which name you want me to send it to again? That's okay.
Yes,
I will send it.
Yes, I have the correct name now. So just go out on the road. Just drive back over at the Western Union. I will give you a name, okay?
All right.
No, you play too easy. Just tell him, say,
just
listen.
take your time,
But
Sheila. I
remember,
know
you told
that,
me
I'm so sorry.
you said as I send the money, I would get the 9 million would be on the way to my house.
All right, hold on.
But I will fix this for you. Just give me one more chance to fix this, sweetheart, okay? I'm sorry.
All right, no problem. So the $9 million is on its way?
Pardon?
The $9 million is on its way, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We just need you to have changed the name. Please change the name, okay?
All right. You gonna hang up or you gonna stay on the line?
No, stay on the line, sweetheart. Let me know when you're at the parking lot. At the Western Union, okay?
All right, no problem.
Let me know when you're back at the Western Union parking lot.
All right, no problem. Don't hang up.
Okay, I will be on the line.
I don't want to put him up on mute. More air with myself.
You're not on mute.
Listen, he walking. He in a slippers or something. I'm gonna cuss him now. We can't make him hang up. If we'll cuss him this time.
Hold on, no. Wasting time.
Talk patwa. You keep on telling me not to talk patwa. Give it to him.
No, don't cuss him. I should have sister. Sister would have blast him.
I mean, a battery at that.
Hold on now. Plug it in. The charger is right there. Don't curse him. You know,
he said the $9 million is on his way.
No.
Everybody on this life finna get $9 million too.
No, guys, honestly, what you think I should do? What you think we should do, guys? Tell us.
It's okay.
Let me see what I'm
Nobody's not obvious. It's not important.
Let me see what I'm saying. Show them from when you send the money.
You're not showing nobody now. I'm covering my phone.
This. See, we send the money. Move the thing now.
It's alright. We playing. Tell him you're canceling the transaction. So I'm gonna cancel. Cost him no. I need a laugh. We're not playing. Right? They're still doing this rubbish.
Go in your room, go cuss him out. You know what I hear.
Don't run up my phone bill. My phone is unlimited. His phone bill going up.
What you do with the money?
I'm covering my own thing. I mean, when I reach out the parking lot, I should be like Irene. Park in the parking lot. Park in the parking lot. Yeah, park in the parking lot.
Oh gosh.
Finna be like Kanika. You see, everybody's asking it's time to put him on blast.
Yeah.
What I gotta say? Yeah, he planning to go to a party later and buy a big food.
But how much money, guys? How much money is that in Jamaica? Because like, I know everybody. Like, how much money now?
Hello? Hello? Come on, man, sir. Me in the parking lot.
Tell him say I got cancel the money because he said that. I mean, say it's
Shh. Emma, come back.
Hello?
Let me call him one more time.
Blood clot.
Yeah. He's a blood clot.
Wait. Hold on. Don't hang up. Don't say nothing yet.
I'm driving. I'm telling him I'm driving. You're such a blood clot.
Hello?
Hold on. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
Yes, I'm driving. That's why I can't hold the phone in my hand.
Okay, I know.
Is
So
everything?
you are driving now?
Yes, I'm almost there. Like 2 minutes.
Okay, you are now now?
In 2 minutes, I'm about to pull up in the parking lot.
Okay.
All right, hold on. The man get vexed while I get such a blood clot.
Cause him can't.
Him supposed to step out for real. Him said the man get grimy. The man said the blood get vexed. I'm dead. He making my day because I'm bored before I go to work and whatever. Them scammer your ad. Happy birthday, thank you. Right? Happy birthday, thank you. Checking
You
in.
don't hear them.
Listen, listen. Oh, they did I second.
Hold on.
You forget for one more time. I'm not pregnant. I'm not pregnant for real. Somebody said made a pregnant hormone popping now. Listen.
Hello?
Him come back. Hold on. Get to him now. Talk about. Yes, hello?
Yes, you're at the parking lot now?
Yes, I'm about to go in there and cancel the first one since you said you can't.
Okay, cancel the name and come back to your car. I'm going to give you the merchant bank name when you're back in your car, okay?
All right, I'm going to cancel it and came back in my car.
Okay, and whenever you're back at your car, you let me know because that is the time I will provide you with the new name, okay?
All right, so I should get a new slip, right?
Yes, get a new slip. Okay, yes.
All right.
Okay.
He said go back and came back in the car. I'ma came back in my car. Listen. Oh, got him hungry. I wish I at least send him $20. You hear him? You see it? I mean, my avatar part what team now.
Wait, no, hold on.
All the dog them hear back. You know long man hear dog back? Come back now?
No, hold on.
Y'all could hear this? The boy under a mama, right? Send him under a mama, yes?
Wait, hold on.
I'm finna start talk about what?
Hold on.
And say hello, my camp.
No. We're gonna just get upset and said, I mean, this is like too much.
No, we can't talk some. We're not talking.
No, we're not cussing.
They might try broke him food. They hear him say they might try broke my food. They're hungry.
Same science teacher teach him English.
Yeah, right. The science teacher teach him English. Show the number. It's a magic jack number. You can get it. Listen. in Jamaica. Ain't no doubt about it.
Them said don't cuss him, just start Jamaican.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Just start Jamaican. What if I start Jamaican? Want me come back in the car?
No, give him a fake number and tell him to go collect it again. No, I want to waste him time. Like, serious, guys.
Give my fake number again?
Yeah, we'll have another paper and we're going to give him another.
Go for next paper. Go for
and
next
give
paper.
him another number.
See, we are going for next Western Union paper. We are give my next number again. She looking for another paper, y'all. So we going to do it again.
You have time to waste, so we're going to waste his time. Because each time it look like a taxi them take. So we're going to waste him time and waste him little money. For the little money them we him get from people. He probably get money from people already. Hold on.
Alright, I'm going for the paper. And then I'm going to say, oh, I can't buy that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits for the panic number.
Hold on, no, but we're going to flip it.
Them say, yeah, give my next fake number.
No, but we not want
It's not fake. It's actually a Western Union number that
but
was
it
sent.
was collected already.
Alright, listen, shh. I want to know, okay, Aaron? That's right.
No, okay, I guess.
Yeah, right? I have unlimited data, so I could do this for the whole day. Somebody says, say, you can't money, take too long, keep your money. Who who have a Western Union paper? Give me a number so I could give it to him. If that. Alright, we found one. This look old. This look. Shh. Earring. You can hear him talking. Possibly you don't fight it down, Mackenzie.
Get the time. Get the time.
Oh, hold on. If you use this time. If you get the time, what upon that?
No. But let's make sure it's locked. Everything locked.
The time right now, the time is 2:15. Alright, hold on. Oh yeah, we didn't forget the slip. Shh. Alright, listen. Alright, hello?
Yeah,
I got another slip.
Okay, you have the money?
Yeah, I have the money. What's the name, the information that you want me to write?
Okay, it is a different information. The first name is Enrica Glaze. It is ANNEREEKA. Yes, that is Enrica. Spell it back to me now.
ANNEREEKA.
E-E. No, it is E-E. 2 E. E-E-K-A.
Alright.
Okay, so it's ANNEREEKA. Yes, and the last name is Glaze.
The last name is?
Glaze. Glaze.
Alright.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, spell back the name now.
ANNEREEKA. And the last name is GLAZE.
Yes, Z. Z as in zebra, okay?
Yeah, Z as in zebra.
Yes, Z-E.
What else?
Okay?
The address, you have the address?
And the address, you're going to have Jamaica. J-A.
No, he wouldn't give a Jamaica. Hold on. Shh.
I-C-A.
You said J-A?
Yes. M-A-I-C-A.
No, but
Shna. Okay.
Okay, you're going to have it again. You're going to have it 2 times.
2 times?
Jamaica. Okay?
Eat that boy and then we'll spell Jamaica. Alright, ready? Okay. Listen.
All right.
No,
So
you
you
have to
have
go
the
tell
name
them
now. Provide back the name. That's all you need for the address. Jamaica, Jamaica. All right.
Okay, we don't need any zip code for the Jamaica.
No, because today it is your delivery. Nothing's gonna be on hold. You're gonna receive every price today. So you just need Jamaica, Jamaica. All right.
Okay. So I'm getting all of the the $9 million today.
Yes, ma'am. Today, everything is gonna be delivered today. All right.
I'm getting it in check or cash.
Yes, yeah, it is a certified check, but they're gonna escort you to your bank. You're not gonna just leave you by your home with the check. They're gonna bring you by your bank. They have it stamped and cash over in your name today. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So read back the information. Yeah. The name and the address to me now.
ANNEREEKA.
Yes.
The last name is GLAZE. And it's Jamaica.
Z as in zebra, right?
Yeah, Z as in zebra. Let me act like I'm know Jamaica.
Okay.
And you
the
said
address
it's
is Jamaica, Jamaica. So I need you to sign the paper now. Back your name, your first name as the sender, and your last name along with your address now, okay?
all right.
Okay, you remember how to sign the paper?
Yes, I remember. I'm gonna just look in the old one.
Okay, so finish signing and call and let me know. I'm on the line. And whenever you go inside the store, leave your phone in your car. And whenever you're back with the, just like how you do it the first time, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Okay, and remember, we need this to go through this time. So let no one question you. Let them ask you a question. Let them know it is a family member and know what you're doing, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So I shouldn't tell my husband?
Pardon?
So don't tell my husband?
Pardon?
You said I shouldn't tell my husband?
No, I'm saying the person is in the store. Just don't let them question you because we don't need no more taxes to be had to your price. So we just needed to go through so we could deliver your price, okay?
Okay, no problem. Hold on. I'm about to go in there now, all right?
Okay, leave the phone in your car. When you're back, you let me know.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Omar Lewis, we're gonna use your information.
Omar, we gonna use your number. I'm tired, mommy. I'm tired. I'm hungry.
No. No, this is fun actually.
In my work, I'm tired.
No, but in my work, I swear.
Somebody say, "Yeah, I'm not got to that." Tell him you need his address.
His address is Jamaica, Jamaica, but what you have to tell him when you're going to the place there, listen to me, there is some new rules and stipulations since we have been here, and what they're telling me now is that I would have to send the transaction in the first address, not the Jamaica, Jamaica. I'm wondering why, what is happening? But when you go back into the car, you understand me?
Mm-hmm.
Or you can just send it. What happened? What did they say?
I'm tired. I'm a can butter. What does people tell him say I'm a can butter? Right now, me I get cross. Me just give him no man. Tell him say go find it up in there, mama.
No.
Me tell him no man say go find it up in there, mama.
No.
No, he don't want me to send. He don't want me to send $1,000. He want me to send what you call it? He want me to send $390.68 so I could get the $9 million. All right, come. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I need to go. Hello?
Hello, yeah, I'm here.
Yes, I'm finished. I got the number now.
Pardon?
Yes, I'm finished. I got the number. I'm in my camera. I'm going to discuss him out.
Okay, I cannot hear you now. What you're saying now?
Yeah. Are you ready for the tracking number?
You're finished?
Yes, I'm finished.
You on your car?
Yes, I'm in my car right now.
So you do it so fast. Why? How you get you so fast? No one has to inside the store?
No.
Okay. So go ahead now.
All right, it's 685.
Take your time. Hold on. Okay, it's gonna be
You hear
Oh, yeah, get through, sir.
somebody else in the background? Somebody else in the background doing the same thing.
Okay, go ahead now.
I'm in there cussing. 685
85
253.
252.
No, 253.
Okay, 253. Okay,
Yes, 34
34
84.
84.
Yes. You got that? Tell me what you got. Hello?
Okay.
Yes, what did you got the number? Tell me the number that you have.
Okay, it's 85.
No, it's 6. No, 685
Okay, 6
85
85. Okay.
253
Okay.
34
Okay.
84.
Okay. So it's 685 25 33 484.
Yes, are you at the Western Union now?
No, we are gonna meet you at your home, sweetheart. Remember, we're gonna come by your home, okay?
Are you in Brooklyn right now?
Yes. So what I'm saying, I need you to
I'm
drive
asking
back
him
home
I'm
now
gonna
because
meet
you're
him.
pregnant. We need you to wait at your home. We don't need you to wait in the road, okay?
Yes, my husband is at home. He's gonna come meet me. So, you want me to meet you? Where are you?
Okay, listen, we have to have the tracking number processed at the bank so we could have the release and your check. So just please stay in your car and wait until we have this process, okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
And you're saying that your name is Joy and your last name is Wright, okay?
Yes, Joy Wright.
Okay, so listen, you could just wait in your car or you could take your time, drive home because the delivery team, you're going to come straight at your home, all right?
Okay, what time are they coming so I could expect them? I could wait for them.
Okay, listen, let I see the time. What's the time you have it now? What's the time on your timepiece?
The time right now?
Yes, what's the time you have it now?
It's 3:09.
Okay, it's 3:09, okay?
Yeah, so you're going to the Western Union right now?
Yes. The time is 3:09, right?
Yes.
Okay, so
I'm gonna tell you the number after ending.
go home. I will be on the line with you. We're gonna have this process. We're gonna have to have the tracking number you gave to me processed at the bank, so everything could be released and delivered to you. So just stay on the line and drive home now, okay? Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yes, I'm saying you could drive home now. You could drive, take your time and drive home, okay?
All right, no problem.
Yes, just stay on the line.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen. Your ear? Try to see if we can get them again.
Right.
You can hear his Jamaican accent right now.
Hello? Hello?
Hold on, I'm driving. Hold on.
I'm driving. I can't talk while I'm driving because the cops will pull me over. Hold on.
Okay.
All right. I want to aim in my patience.
Omar Lewis, the number you gave us, is it a number that is actually in the system, you say? No, but it would have to have the name Katrina. You hear them? You hear them?
Yeah, right. WRIGHT. Alright. Now get 3103. Yeah, 3103. CLASSON. O-N. C as in cat. CLASSON. Officers, LCE. Brooklyn, New York. Brooklyn, BROOKLY, New York. This was a 1055. Yeah, it's
I'm gonna get the phone. Come get him. Yeah, we're gonna talk to him. They need to come. Last come on them there. Wait till they say the shell of them there. Back of them there. We should play the song for him to hear it though.
When him answer, he must say hello.
Hold on. Hello?
Yeah, so you're still there?
Yes, I'm still here. I'm driving.
Pardon?
Yes, I'm driving.
Okay, I need you to look on the receipt and tell me how much in total you have sent.
399. Hello?
399?
No, because
$390.68.
all right. I sent to you the $390.68.
Okay, $390.67.
68.
Oh, 58 cents.
Yeah, 68.
Okay, $390.58, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me know when you're close to you now.
Yes, I'm almost there. I'm about to pull up in my driveway.
Okay.
Them don't say all money and them don't see real money yet. Tell them so we're rich. No, so wait in the
Same time the bitch get I
like I so she got ready to flash right.
said here with them because with the whole of we have 9 million. Tell them they said the whole of we have 9 million now. So
Oh, he won the Jamaican amount?
Yeah, wanna point up.
Oh, he won the Jamaican because sometimes they do that, you know. They want
Omar Lewis, what's the Jamaican amount that you have on that thing? Send it.
What Omar? Clean and fresh, that?
No. Yeah, but don't say all money. The whole of we rich now. No.
He need to hurry up.
Fresh cash.
Hold on, him say sweetheart. Make him call me again.
Fresh cash.
Hello?
Hold on. When I can't hold on. Pay, make him hear. I'm telling somebody to go inside them.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, how are you doing? I need you to re-verify back your phone number so I could make sure that you are the correct person, okay?
This phone number that you're talking to me on?
Yes. Just
Yes.
go ahead and provide it to me so I could know it's your number.
Y'all better not call my phone. I'm serious. Oh, y'all watching live. My number is 929. You hearing me?
Yeah.
428 9300.
9300.
00.
Okay. So
I'm about to go inside right now. Yeah, I'm about to go inside.
Okay, let me know when you're inside. Stay on the line.
All right. Yeah, go hear the music. I'm gonna start playing. But they got no
All money, I'm gonna jump on new money, yeah.
9 million. What?
Just turn it around and spin it.
Oh, somebody else calling me. Somebody else calling me. Hold on. Let me see. Am I calling number? Hold on. Shh. Hold on. Accept. Hello?
Somebody else calling me. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on.
Yo, it's me.
Hello?
It's me. It's bad. People calling my phone. Yo, y'all stop calling my phone. I'm not gonna answer. Yo, I knew they was gonna call my phone, bro. Hello? You're not gonna make the man catch me. They just calling my phone. LA. No, I'm not answer. Alright. I could hear it. They're on the live. They still watching my live. Him same camera with the scammer dog. Yo, stop! I'm a. You see all these people calling my phone. Yeah, I got a man. Don't call my phone. The man same camera with the scamming.
Sweetheart?
Yes, hello? Yes, hello?
Yes, you're inside now?
Yes, I'm inside.
Okay, so I need you to drink yourself a glass of water and have yourself calm down. I will be on the line. Just settle yourself with a glass of cool water or something to drink and get back to the phone, okay?
All right, no problem.
Yeah, just refreshing yourself. I'm here on the line.
All right, I'm celebrating. I'm happy.
Pardon?
No, I said I'm drinking a glass of wine. I'm celebrating. I'm happy. I can't drink wine. I'm pregnant.
Yeah, you can drink one
Yeah,
glass.
that's great. Wonderful.
You might come from Jamaica still. You might
Okay.
call the Jamaica phone. Jamaica don't call me.
So, and you're home and everything is okay, right?
Yeah. What? Yes, everything is okay.
All right, and your husband is home too?
Not yet. He just left out. He went to work.
Oh, he's going to work now. Okay.
Y'all need to stop calling my phone, bro. I'm not gonna
Hold
answer.
the line. Remember that the tracking number has to be processed at the bank before I could provide you with any more
Peterson, no.
information because
Peterson,
at
no,
this time
Peterson,
to
no.
remember that everything has
Peterson,
to
no.
be released from the bank
Me
first
Peterson,
before
no,
we
cause
could
I have to go
deliver,
work.
your
No, I take me
funds
leave
to
for
you,
work.
okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So do you have the paper with you, the tender form?
Yes, I have it.
You have it. Okay.
Yeah, that I was calling my phone. I'm not gonna answer.
Another line, okay? Because this line is giving us so much problem. I will have to call you on another line. So I'm just gonna hang up and call you back, okay?
You're not up for anger. You're not up for anger. I can't hear you. Don't hang up me an area. You don't get the money yet. Don't hang up me an area. You get the money? Hello?
Pardon?
I said don't hang up me an area. Don't hang up. You not hear me? Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
All right, don't hang up.
Okay, this line is giving us so much problem. I will have to call you on the other line, okay?
All right, come up on the other line. All right.
No, him say play the scammer song. Them say play the scammer song. Them say play the scammer song. Oh God.
Yo, mad people calling me. All right, let me call them. Let me answer them. Hello? There's mad people calling me. Hello? Yo, look at this shit, bro. I'm glad I'm playing.
Hello?
What you saying hello for?
Hello.
Hello?
They watching the live. Yeah, did I call my phone? No, y'all gonna build my phone up.
Scammer them there, them say for play.
Party, party attacking, proving them stopping case and now.
Ain't they in Jamaica too? Why y'all afraid? It's mad people have my number now. How they took it so fast though? I am this? Hello? Oh, make a know when the man a call back if everybody a call.
You gotta stop
Hello?
calling so that we could get him.
Bro, I'm dead, bro. This man people calling me. If not, call you back. I'm gonna call him back. I'm gonna call him back. Yo, I can't have no time on my phone. The hell?
Change your number after this, for real.
I'm not changing my number.
Why the hell so much people are call?
Yo, I can't even use my phone. Come on. Y'all getting me tired. You hear my phone ringing? That's not my ringtone.
Call back and play the song.
I'm gonna call back.
We're trying to call, but you guys are calling. Like, serious, stop. Oh my God, stop.
And hear how they gonna talk. Like they in Jamaica too. What's good?
Call, answer that number.
What's good? Bro, I'm dead.
You all sound like Kanika.
Yeah, I sound like Kanika.
Help me.
I can't use the phone to call by the man. I can't. But why my ringtone like that though? Come hold the phone.
Them acting on your phone.
I put my
They're
phone on
dumb
airplane mode, so
though.
yeah, I can't come.
Oh, so now I see the number is like random. They're them duns though, you know? Like serious,
It's
them
mad on the number.
duns. Them duns. Because you tell them Jai, right? Well, when them a spell right, me hear them W-I. Them give you the amount and then ask you back the amount. What kind of business people them be? Them scammer, you know? Them game not tight at all.
People even calling me from LA. Like,
They say you better change the number.
I ain't changing my number. But even when we give them the Jamaican accent, the man not even say nothing.
Each time they call you, just block them.
I can't because they're calling me from unknown number. It's alright.
Put your number in D&D. What's that?
Put your number in who?
Do not disturb or what?
Put my number on Do Not Disturb.
But then-
Somebody, Nastasia say shut me out. Nastasia say shut me out. Hold it down. My vex, I can't give a customer and everybody I call my phone. Then the man gonna say,
Okay,
in my call back.
say-
I mean, did your number come from her? For her though?
Yeah, that's the number.
In black.
It's a fail. The man said, "Me can't bother with
Yeah,
the
him
scamming."
say, "Ma go stop scam."
I felt his pain at that point. He said, "Yo, me can't bother with the scamming in a star. Cause them people here, because him knows there's something wrong, but him not know what is it that is wrong."
Then him come back, yes, sweetheart.
Yeah, because he don't know what is wrong.
He blocked me.
You gonna go in? Okay.
Somebody tell me about the live them now. The call back. Somebody tell them about the live they're not gonna call back. Right? What's today? I'm just gonna ask you first.